Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go over the markets. As you guys know, last week was a difficult trading week. As a matter of fact, last couple of weeks have been difficult. We've had volatility, especially in Forex. Not a lot of direction, though. Okay, so hopefully we'll get better direction this week. All right, so let's go through the markets. On Friday, the Dow was down 87 points. Nasdaq was down. S&P was down. Russell was down, and the VIX was down. VIX is at 12, guys. 1222 on the VIX. Very low. That is a very bullish sign. All right, so we're gonna start at taking a look at big picture. All right. And we will focus on Forex this evening. Okay. So the VIX index, big picture. We need to be aware of what's going on, big picture. All right. VIX or volatility index on the monthly time frame. All right. So moving forward, for right now, we'll be looking at the monthly time frame on these indexes. All right. We've had a lot of noise. All right, even on the weekly time frame, we've been getting a lot of noise, so we've moved everything to the monthly time frame for now. Okay, so the VIX, guys, is at 1222. That is low, right? Very bullish for the VIX. So right here, all right here. I wouldn't say it's at all-time lows, but it's approaching there. All-time lows is probably about 9 on the VIX. Okay, so we are sitting at 12, very bullish. All right, but you guys know we still are coming into the summer months. So we're in the summer months. Okay, so just keep in mind low volume, right? And we could see selling come in. All right, this is the season for selling in the summer months. But we'll pay attention to the price action, what's happening in front of us. Okay, low VIX, that's good for stocks. Okay, so we have 1222. That is very low. On the Dow, we're still holding, I would say, fairly near all-time highs. Not at all-time highs, but fairly close. All-time highs is right at 40,000 and change. Right, we closed on Friday at 38,798. All right, so what's that? About 1,300 points from the all-time high on the Dow. But if you look here, still holding. Buyers are still in control. All right, on the Dow. Big picture, monthly time frame. S&P, right at all-time highs on the S&P. Buy signal here. That's when we broke the all-time highs. Right here with the buy signal. Again, monthly time frame, we're holding right at all-time highs, over 5,000 on the S&P. Big number there. Okay, so buyers are still in control, even with all of the noise we've seen. All right, buyers are still in control on the equity markets. The Nasdaq, same thing. Buy signal here, holding all green candles. Nasdaq all-time highs. Look at here. All these are monthly. Every candle is a month worth of data. Okay, so buyers are still in control. We are not in correction territory. All right. The Russell, the only lagger, we do not have a buy signal on the Russell as far as big picture, but we have some green candles. So the last month and this month we have buyers here. All right, green candles. In order to see the Russell move higher, remember Russell's small cap. All right, small cap stock, not large cap, small caps. Okay, so we need a buy signal, and all-time high on the Russell is right here. All right, the dollar index. All right, monthly time frame, buy signal was here. Here is our resistance, so we are trading above. All right, above resistance on the dollar. I'll show you guys what's going on in the dollar index. Okay, on the daily time frame. All right, we'll need to pay attention this week on the dollar. We've seen some moves that started on the dollar. All right, index on Friday, especially the dollar pairs. We'll take a look at those. Okay, so buy signal here, holding dollar index, and then gold. Keep an eye on gold. All right, now gold can really tell us the direction of the market. Buy signal here on gold. All right, buy signal again, monthly time frame. All right, we have real resistance right here, right about here, right here on gold. This is where sellers came in before, right here, right here. We'll count this right here, count this, and now we are right here. And if you notice here, guys, gold is retracing, made a high right around 2460, so 2500, and here it's retraced, and now it's trading at 2300 and change. Keep an eye on it. It needs to hold resistance here. If it moves lower, all right, we could see sellers come in. It could hold our trend line right here, but pay attention to gold. I think gold might be done for now. All right, gold might be done for now. When we see these candles here, all right, these wicks right here where they retrace all the way back, right, like they did here, right here, right here, right here, that's a bearish sign. All right, they're not holding, right, the price higher. Okay, so keep that in mind as we go through um the markets. Okay, pound yen, guys, nice breakout buy signal here. Big picture, monthly time frame. All right, I know we've had a lot of noise, right, in the yen pairs. Excuse me, but pound yen still holding. Buy signal here. This buy signal, guys, back in 2022. All right, here we are, 2024. All green candles, again, monthly time frame. Not that we would trade on this time frame, but we can look at the overall big picture. All right, so broke resistance, got past sellers here, and then here we are. Okay, all right. So let's take a look at current positions in Monster Scalper. Okay, Monster Scalper. No, we are light. All right, guys, we are light. So just be aware of that. Things have been choppy. All right, things have been choppy in Forex. We are getting volatility. So you guys look here. All right, we have volatility came in on Friday. All right, here's on the daily time frame here. All these yellow price action here, this number here, right? Above 20 and yellow, that's volatility. So we got good volatility here on the daily, 240, good volatility on the 60. So hopefully that follows through this week. All right. Oh, hold on. All right. I'm still choppy in here, but we've got, if you guys look here, we're starting to get buy-in. All right, in the dollar pairs, right? We have some blue shaping up in here, blue shaping up in here. That's good. And the dollar pairs so far, they're up, but that could change. All right, that could definitely change. All right, so current positions. On the 60-minute time frame in Monster Scalper. All right, so USD MXN, all right, guys, on the 60-minute time frame, buy signal here. Nice move, holding firm so far. Buy signal was here. Got past sellers, right, which they're sitting right here. Big candle here on a break of resistance, holding right here. All right, USD MXN, right? Swiss yen, sell signal right here. So buy signal was here. Sell signal, close the trade, please. Swiss yen. And guys, we don't have a lot of positions. All right. Euro ZAR. All right. Hopefully we'll have a better week this week. Euro ZAR, not a bad trade. Buy signal here on the break of resistance right here. Broke support, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. So ZAR, Euro ZAR, close the trade, please. So we only have left on the 60-minute time frame. All right, USD MXN, that's your dollar pair. So we'll look to see if we can find any new opportunities this evening in only in the dollar pairs for right now. We might take a look at the yen pairs just to see, all right, what we've got. So USD MXN. All right, Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon, welcome. All right, so USD MXN still holding this on 60-minute monster scalper. Now the 240 long in monster scalper. All right, USD MXN is also, we're holding it in monster scalper. Good trade going, buy signal all the way down here. All right, got past sellers right in here. All right, pull back, retraced. Now moving up higher. Nice big candle on Friday. Buy signal all the way here, holding firm. USD MXN. All right, in monster scalper. All right, Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD buy signal here. Very difficult trading here, guys. Right, we were hoping for a break past resistance here. Really good support, really good resistance. All right, Friday, look at this. All right, big red candle came in. All right, so we should be out of that trade. So buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. All right, Aussie CAD. Right, New Zealand dollar. All right, New Zealand dollar taking its time here. Let's take care of Swiss yen. Swiss yen, guys. Buy signal here, holding firm. All right, on the 240. Buy signal here, break of resistance right here. All green candles, right? Holding firm. We have resistance here. Now it's looking really good as we open up this evening. We've got near-term resistance right here. So hopefully we break through that resistance and move higher, right? Buy signal here. It's holding firm so far. New Zealand dollar, all right, finally came in here. All right, buy signal here. Red candle, guys. Big red candle. Buy signal here. Sell short, sell signal here to close the trade. We should be out. All right, we were hoping for a break. See right here? Break this resistance. All right, non-farm payrolls, big numbers came in on Friday, so there's a lot of volatility on Friday. Close the trade. All right, NZD USD, if you're trading it, should have been out of it on Friday. All right, pound ZAR is holding. Let's remove this. All right, so pound ZAR buy signal here, right? Made it to its target. So if you guys, it's made it through its target. Resistance is right here. All right, and made it to its target. If you want to close the trade, take profits, you can certainly do that. We'll leave it for now. All right. Buy signal here. Here was your pullback. Here, held. Right. Now, retraced here from resistance, and we've got a green candle this evening. That's a bullish sign. All right. So hopefully we'll get follow through like we did here. All right. Buy signal here, retraced, held. White candles, buyers came back in. Same thing here. Hopefully, all right, we could test resistance and move higher. Okay. Now, we look to see if we have a real move in the dollar, guys, in the dollar pairs, but trade every pair. You notice that we're, you know, trade these pairs individually. Okay. We don't have a rotation currently. So just can trade the whole group, just trade these pairs individually and be careful. All right. So pounds are holding firm, euros are. All right. Buy signal here, same thing. Pullback, white candles, hell. This is a bullish sign. If we can get green candles after these white candles in the markup phase, that's very bullish. Okay. So buy signal here. All right. Retraced. Buyers came back in. Here we are. All right. White candles. If we get a green candle here, very bullish. But just know sellers are sitting right here, guys. Okay. And we're right. We've made it up to that resistance area already. Right. Got pushed back. All right. So just be aware of that. Okay. Be aware of that. So pounds are right here. Euros are right here. All right. And just trade each pair individually, okay, not as a group right now. We do not have a rotation. Very choppy trading. All right. We do have some shorts on the 240 monster scalper. We've got 3. Let's take a look. All right. Protect your capital. This is not the time to go heavy, to be a hero in these markets. Okay. We've been talking about that. ZAR yen. All right. Sell short signal is here. Now, this one reached its target right here. Okay. So you want to take profits, that's fine. Okay, we'll hold it for now. What we're hoping is that sellers come on back down. All right, it's still holding, hasn't given a buy to cover yet, no green candle. What we're hoping for is sellers come on back in, test support like it did here, and we have further support down here. Okay, so hopefully, right, it can make it down here. We'll see. ZAR yen. Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss is holding fine. Okay. Sell short signal here for Aussie Swiss. Good price action. Target is right here. First support is right here. We'd be lucky if it gets further support down here. But right here, sell short signal and holding. Keep an eye on yellow support and resistance. Okay. Right in here. So we've got lower highs, lower lows. I'm sorry, higher highs, higher lows within the markdown phase. That's not good, but the price is moving lower. Okay, so good short right now. Aussie Swiss. Okay, Aussie Swiss. New Zealand Swiss. All right, same thing. Very similar to Aussie Swiss. Sell short signal is here. All right, and here we are right here. Support is right here. Okay, so if you're in it, just hold. All right. Any green candles, get out quickly. All right. All right. White candles, just pay really close attention. All right. But just know that this market is very difficult right now. Okay. Equities. Quickly on equities. So stock boss. Let's see here. All right, AMC. All right, AMC still holding. All right, GME, GameStop, all right, is still holding. Good price action, very volatile. All right, guys. So, if you guys are gonna, if you're gonna trade this, all right, if you're in it already, buy signal was at 15. Very, I think they're pumping and dumping it. All right, pumping and dumping it. All right, no real trend here. All right, so just be careful. GameStop, ORGN. All right, that's holding. EBS, all right, EBS, that's holding firm here. All right, ADTN holding. Purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. Support is right here. TAC, all right, TAC is holding, okay? And not a lot in stocks right now. So we do have, let's take a look here. All right, we do have, guys, on the Dow sell. We don't have a sell signal. We have red candles, neutral candles, white candles here. We are looking for, possibly buyers to come on back in, test resistance here. All right, S&P looks good. NASDAQ looks good. Russell, we have a red candle here. All right, and then over here, all right, on our sectors here, we've got 50%, guys. So 50% of the sectors are down, 50% are up. All right, so just be aware of that. Okay, so that will cause, all right, a lot of mixed direction with equities. Okay, so Bullmaster, all right, holding here, NEP holding, all right, white candle here, small white candle. Keep that. Keep an eye on that. RCL, buy signal here. All right, holding firm. CLS, all right. Um, buy signal here right at resistance, guys. Traded really well in the past, holding struggle, all right, to hold that support here. Previous resistance becomes support. So it's holding here. CLS, hood, HOOD. All right, HOOD holding above resistance. That's good. All right, MPWR, that's holding right at resistance. All right. Data is slow this evening. RVTY holding right at resistance. That's good. WIX, buy signal here, trading above resistance here. That's really good. All right. ANF, all right. Buy signal here, holding firm above resistance right here. GOGO, all right. Red candle here. All right. So sell signal. So buy signal here. Here's our resistance. Sellers came in. Red candle here. Close the trade, please. All right. So first thing in the morning, you're in it. Close the trade. GOGO. Close that trade, please. Netflix is holding at above resistance. NVCR, that's holding. Okay. JXN holding. This has been strong. We just need buyers to hold that support. Come on back in, okay? Keep an eye on it, though. It was a new down on Friday, okay? CEIX, that's holding. And then Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. All right. Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. NVIDIA. All right. Closed at 1208. You guys know there's a split coming in. So 10-1 split. So we should see that price open tomorrow at $120. Okay. Rather than 1208. So if you're trading it, you're going to have more shares. All right. NVDA. BROS. All right. Another one here. I know it looks choppy in here, but really good fundamentals. All right. We've got resistance here. We need this to break through that resistance, hopefully this week. All right. So we've got good resistance, good support. All right. Support is right here. Resistance is right here. Buy signal here. We just need to break through right here that resistance, good fundamentals on this stock here. All right. We just need that price action to line up. All right. Follow that fundamentals. All right. All right. Cover, guys. Cover. All right. Buy signal here on the break of resistance. Holding firm. That is really slow this evening. ACGL, buy signal here, holding. ASPN, all right, buy signal here, holding. HWKN, buy signal here, right? We out of the channel right here, out of this channel, and holding firm right here, all right? So nothing major to change with these stocks. We'll see what the market does, all right, tomorrow. Overall, big picture, we know we are bullish, but boy, this daily price action can be difficult. Okay. All right. Our US 30 traders. Okay. We don't have any buy signals currently. All right. So we're not holding any buy signals, right, on the US 30. On the daily time frame, it's mixed. Okay, so we're trading between support and resistance right here. Okay, so just hold off on any trades right now, long or short. Okay, long or short, because We're mixed right now. Okay, so just be careful, right? Unless you're trading on a very small time frame. NAS 100, same thing. All right, we do have a buy signal, all right, on the NAS 100. So let's do this. If we get a buy signal on the 60, we might call it based on how things open up in the New York session. Okay. All right. So buy signal here, but we got a red candle, so we should be out. If we price breaks resistance in that New York session, all right, and we get a good follow through here, we have a buy signal here, we might call it. Okay. But just wait for the right setup there. Okay. All right. We have resistance here, a lot of resistance here, right in here. Resistance is here, here. So we could see sellers come in. So wait patiently. Okay. All right. Monster scalper. Let's take a look at monster scalper. Before we do that, Bitcoin still holding right at 69,000 and change there. We don't have a lot of good news, guys, right now. Okay. All right. 60-minute time frame in monster scalper. We'll go through this quickly. Let's see if we can find some opportunities here. Okay. That is really slow. All right. Nothing so far on the Aussie yen Kiwi pairs. Let's take a look at the dollar. All right. Good move on the dollar pairs on the 60-minute, guys, on Friday. If you caught the dollar pairs, good job. They seem to be holding so far on the 60. Euro. All right, nothing on the euro. We have good volatility. Pound pairs. All right. All right. Couple of opportunities. Okay, let's take a look at the dollar index here. You see, guys, the dollar index will drive Forex. Okay. And right here is where we were sitting on Friday, right in the middle. Here we have resistance. We have support here. This big candle here, all right, came in on the dollar index on Friday. Currently the dollar is up, okay, but we're still caught between, all right, tight range. Even if we move this here, let's say we move this here, look at this. A lot of this right here, this consolidation in here, all of this in here is what's not giving us any direction. Okay, so if we get overnight, right, the dollar index is up right now. If we start getting some green candles in here, start testing that resistance, we'll see better price action. Okay. Those of you who caught, we didn't call any signals on the dollar pairs on Friday. All right. With the data that came out just while the price action. Okay. So if you caught it, good job. We're gonna hold off on calling anything right now in the dollar pairs. Okay. That's probably the best trade right now. But that can change, guys. Okay. This market can flip, and that's what it's been doing. Okay. All right. So we could be long for a day, couple of days in one of the group, and then it switches, flips. So um just be careful. On the 240, let's see here. See how these are all, see here? No direction, guys. Uh, all right, so nothing here, pound yen. So just you have to select each trade has to be an individual trade. USD PLN looks looks okay for a trade. It's broken resistance here, gotten out of this accumulation phase, a decent markdown phase. Right, first target here. Let's see here. All right, USDN okay. All right, we'll call this one. Okay, that's cleaner than PLN. Right, very choppy in here. USDN okay, has a better markdown phase. But remember, this is the dollar pair. Okay, so the dollar index. So I would be ready to get out, even might want to get out even on a white candle with this one here. All right, so, and it's moved up quite a bit here. All right, so buy signal came in here on Friday. Here we are here. We could wait for a pullback and see. All right, what's nice about this trade here, we got a good markdown phase. So USDN, okay, good markdown phase. So a target is here. All right, markdown phase, accumulation, good buy signal again. Buy signal came in right here, would have been perfect on Friday. But guys, again, just so we'll call it USD and okay. But I'll go in small if you guys are gonna do any trading right now. All right, go small on the 240 here. Okay. We could see that dollar index come on down. USD and okay. MXN, we're ready in this one. Buy signal here. Good trade going here. What a great trade, huh? Let's show you guys here. And this is the best dollar trade. And I think MXN, Mexican peso, it's doing its own thing. Okay. It's not following the dollar index. It's just doing its own thing. So buy signal was here and we got past sellers here. All right. This is really a lucky trade here. All right. It just kept on, right? Kept on moving on, keeps on moving on here. Buy signal here. Really good trade. So hopefully USD and okay will follow it. Okay. But good setup here. Just remember, all right, trade lightly, guys. All right. USD HUF. All right, let's see here. Good markdown phase, buy signal here. All right, buy signal right here on a break of resistance. Very choppy in here. Previous buy signal here failed. All right, we'll test this one out. Again, if you're going to trade this, trade lightly. All right, long USD HUF on the 240. Okay, just remember, sellers could come in, knock that price back down. All of a sudden, we're back below resistance. Okay, nothing here. HKD gapped up. All right, that's too bad it gapped up. Are we seeing a move in the dollar? All right, here is your markdown phase. All right, buy signal came in here right on that break this evening. Target is here. All right, USD DKK. Okay, we're gonna call these, but guys, trade lightly. USD CZK, no buy signal yet. Really good markdown phase. Look at this. Okay, keep an eye on it. All right, nothing here. All right, no buy signal yet on this one. Very choppy dollar CAD. Stay away from dollar CAD for right now. Now, if it gets above, guys, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. We've been in this environment before. Okay, so no surprise. Just trade accordingly. All right, let's see here. So let's call resistance right about here. All right, don't do anything here. Dollar CAD, nothing here. Okay. All right. So just the dollar pairs for now. We have a few positions. So USD MXN, we know this one is doing well. We'll look to add USDN, okay, just to give you guys something here. Buy signal here, moving up. Now, just understand, all right, it's gotten away from that buy signal a bit. So if you're going to trade it, either wait for a pullback, all right, trade a small amount, okay? USD, HUF, all right, broke resistance here. Just know, all right, good markdown phase right here. A lot of consolidation in here. All right. We need buyers to come on back in. Risk reward, not a great risk reward. So because our target is right here. All right. So we're not getting it low in the markdown phase. It's all the way up here. So just keep an eye on that if you're trading on the 240. All right. USD DKK, last one here. All right. Buy signal here. Here's your markdown phase. This is where sellers came in before here and here. But nice gap up. All right. So hopefully it holds that gap, keep moving higher here. All right. So just want to give you guys something to trade, but just be careful. All right. Our US 30 traders, just remember, all right, not much to do there. All right. Keep an eye on it, but just be careful trading it for right now. All right. And hopefully we'll get a better price action this week. Okay. On the 60-minute, all right, 60-minute US the dollar pairs on the 60-minute. If you're trading on the 60, all right, the dollar pairs, you got in these dollar pairs on Friday. Good job. All right, but again, just pay attention to your trades. All right, guys. Hopefully we'll have a much better week. Hopefully we have more better direction. All right. I think we've got data. I think we've got a lot of data coming out this week. So just be careful. That's the theme right now. All right. Last week before, all right, we have the confusing thing is we have volatility. All right, but not a lot of good direction. Okay, guys. All right. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Thanks for coming. All right. Take care. Again, hopefully we have a much better week tomorrow this week. Take care, guys. Bye bye.